Hey guys, welcome back to episode 5 of 0 to a Million. I forgot to make an intro to this video, so I'm making it now. But I hope you guys like the video. Please like and subscribe at the end. Thank you. Alright guys, so we got the business card. So next up is to make something online. Make a website. Make something that people can find me online. So if they ever want to refer me or they ever want to look me up or leave a review or something like that, to have some presence online. Now I can make a website. I could make a Facebook page. I would usually make a website, but I don't know if I want to make a whole website for this thing because I don't know how much time I'm gonna really dedicate to this in the future. But I could start on a Facebook page. So basically, you go to your Facebook and right here on the Facebook, you go to create and you can create events, groups, pages, whatever. So I'm creating a page. So in this page, I'm gonna have posts of like the satisfying videos I'm going to record of me doing the pressure washing, the before and after pictures, customer reviews and stuff like that, and just have some social media presence on so people can find me. So anyways, so I put create a page, and so we're here, and so I had to put obviously the name. I'm gonna put Pressure Bros. Categories, I wasn't gonna put landscaping because it's when people think landscaping, they like cutting the grass and stuff like that, which I'm not really gonna do. So I put a cleaning service in the category, and then I put like the little slogan that we have: we don't cut corners, we clean them, for the description. And then like what we do: driveways, pool decks, anything. Profile picture is gonna be the logo, of course, and then for now the cover photo for the page is gonna be the business card, I guess, which gives us gives some information about me and who we are and stuff like that. Add a button. So this would be like a call to action. So like, what do we want? What do we want people to do with this page? And honestly, it would be to contact us because we want somebody to call us. This is choose a website. No, call now. Do a call now. And I put my phone number in. So I don't know. So we have some presence online. We have something online where people can reach us, can find us. So that's good. So we created that. So now actually what I'm going to do is I'm going to start going door to door knocking and see if I can set up any appointments throughout the week to wash any driveways. Also, one other thing that we're going to need, another investment we're going to have to make is we're going to need to find a tripod that I can put my phone on or the camera on and record these cleanings, not only pictures of before and after of the driveway, but at the same time like satisfying videos, because we're gonna need that content for not only for the page, but also we can get some social media traction if we choose to make an Instagram page or something like that. We'll see if we choose to do that or not, but it's good for the Facebook page to show our results, show our previous work, and see how they're gonna be paying for quality and it's quality work. We bagged the tripod. So basically, let me show you guys what this is like. It looks small right now, but in every one of these hinges, there's gotta be at least 2 feet that it extends. This thing goes up super high, and it'll give us bird's eye view of the driveway cleanings, and it's a great addition to it. So it was a tripod originally for just like a normal camera, like a recording camera. What we did was I had a GoPro back in the day, and I got my GoPro mount for the GoPro, and I put it onto the actual tripod, and with that I got a selfie stick mount so I can hold my phone with this. So it was just a combination of 3 things that I don't use anymore, but innovation that excites. Alright guys, so day 1 of door knocking. We're out here grinding. A lot of no's, but that's expected. So every chance I get, I just perfect my pitch even more. So hopefully we'll get one soon. Guys, with the rain and everything, look at the house we just nailed. Look how dirty this is. Look how good of content this could be for the Facebook page. The sidewalk is just black, basically. Still, it's just dirty, the sidewalk. Oh, it's gonna be great content for the video. Alright, so we finished the job. We got paid 100 for it when actually we said we do it for 80. We said we do it for 80 because considering how dirty their sidewalk was, I just thought it was like an insane opportunity for marketing. I could post that on the website, on the webpage, on the Facebook webpage. I can make Instagram content out of that. Like it was the driveway to do, and especially the sidewalks, and we got to do it. And so we got paid 100 for it, which is nice. 100 down, 900 more to go for this next pressure washer. We're gonna have 2 pressure washers, so I can do one house while my brother's doing another house, you know. So we got more and more money going, so just gonna be reinvested right back into the business. So although we are at 600, it's all gonna go down once we get to 1,000, because we're gonna buy a whole another pressure cleaner to pressure clean and stuff like that. We finished the first driveway, but we obviously need more driveways, so we're out here. I'm aiming to do every single house in this neighborhood, to at least knock or ring the doorbell on every single house in this neighborhood. I'm gonna get way more no's than yes, of course. I'll be happy if I get 1 or 2 houses, but that's how I'll increase my odds. You know, it's kind of demotivating when it's 100 degrees outside in Florida right now. It's hot, it's humid, and everybody says no. Everybody's saying no. It's so demotivating, but at the end of the day, the ones who are consistent, the ones who are persistent, are the ones that pull through and see results. All right, well, I don't know if it was my pitch or what, but it wasn't working out. I tried the whole neighborhood, came out sweating. Nonetheless, I gave out some business cards. Some people were genuinely interested. Most people didn't really care. Like I said, I went to probably over 100 houses and didn't get 1 appointment, but it's whatever. There's always down, it's not always positive stuff. Okay, so we're back. So here I am on the Facebook page, and one thing that I was actually researching, like, how can I grow this page? How can I get more people to like my page, to follow my page, to get more interaction, right? And one of the things that they said was to join your local community groups. Like they have like these yard sale groups and just these community groups that are just based solely on where you are, your area, and what's near you, right? So I joined these groups. I joined like 3 of these groups, and I posted my services. I'm gonna start to regularly post in these groups because, you know, there's people around you, people close to you that could possibly, you know, hire you. And just check your page out. And once they check your page out, they see all the results. They see everything that you've done before. And that's exactly why these videos that I'm making are so important, because they get traction. As you can see here, you know, I posted this one today. A nice little tune in the background. You know, another one. Same exact song. I really don't need to go overboard with this. But the more people I can get to see these videos, the better it is, right? And then at the ending of these videos, I just put my business card, my phone number, where people can reach me, right? So far, 43 people like my page, 44 people follow it. They're mainly family and friends. You can get family and friends to do this, to share there on their page. And so yeah, so that's how I'm starting to slowly grow my Facebook page. Then back on the business card, I said, you know what? Back then when I made the business card, I didn't have the Facebook page. Now that I have a Facebook page, I added right here, as you can see, the Facebook, you know, just the Facebook logo, and just our page name, where people could find us, right? And then obviously, and I added my name also to the card, to the business card, so people can, you know, reach me and say, hey, is this Tommy? And I'm there. So yeah, I did that. And then, okay, so one more thing we need to do is do a Google My Business page, right? And this will help for a lot of things. So Pressure Bros, yes. Okay, and this would be in, just going to put pressure washing. Yes, pressure washing service. This location will show up on Google Maps and search customers. Yes. So I'm just gonna put my address here to have something locally in Wellington, so I can show up when people are looking for pressure washing. I show up on the map. Do you also serve customers outside this location? Yes. Because we're gonna go to people's houses. Alright, so we're gonna serve in all the areas close to me. Boom. Driveways, pool decks, anything. Calls for a free quick quote. I'm gonna put my phone number. 561. Put my phone number. Boom. Add photos of your business. This is great. Boom, the business card is up. Okay. What else do we need to set it up? Okay, so the rest seems to be just the specifications. Google is such a powerful tool because everybody uses Google to search up anything. It's not like people are just gonna go to Facebook and look up pressure washing, you know? It's a good landing page, my Facebook, where people can see all the content and stuff like that, because a lot of people are in Facebook. But to be on Google is huge. And not only Google, but also Maps. Google Maps is huge. So that's the good thing about Google My Business. So I'm glad we started that. And yeah, I'll keep you guys posted.